Thank you so much. And of course, with the participation of our district nurse, si Ma'am Shasha, at saka si Ma'am May. And of course, with the support of the stakeholders, Barangay Cap, talagang very, very active si Capto. Natutuwa ako pag yung school na pupuntahan ng mga kapitan. Kasi hindi lahat, honestly, hindi lahat ng mga kapitan ay mga supportive. Guys, so sana all Cap, thank you so much. And of course, with his kagawas, thank you so much. With the rest of the PTA members, thank you so much. And of course, the all effort of the beautiful and young, energetic teachers of Pinangunguhan. Paborito kong puntahan yung Pinangunguhan talaga. Kahit wala si Sir Jay, talagang kahit gaano kalayo yung Pinangunguhan. Kasi I guess ito yung pinaka-mainland na school sa out of the 14 schools ng district. Based ko lang sa pagka-drive ko papunta, ang layo ng Pinangunguhan. Tapos, super mainland kasi galing from the highway, papunta dito, papasok, super papasok mo. Oh. So, of course, the pupils, it's nice to see you all. Actually, this oral health month is, actually, masaya ito dahil about sa health. Kasi palagi na lang about sa academic, yung pinagagawa ng DepEd, academic. Paano ba makapag-study pag masakit ang